Hey guys, I'm outside over here by where we live out in the country. There's some weird noises going on, and so I thought I'd come out here and see what the hell it is. I got a feeling I think it's a lynx cat. We've seen a lynx cat a couple weeks ago running around. It was beautiful, but I'm gonna go check it out. So hopefully I don't get eaten. Wish me luck. Pray for us all. I'm gonna grab the flashlight. I think there's a bobcat out there. Can you hear it, babe? It sounds close. Oh, lynx, I mean, yeah. Let me see the flashlight. I'm not going past the fence.
They're getting closer. They're coming to your light.
What the hell is that? Is that what it sounds like to you, a lynx?
Yeah. Be careful because they can't go to the fence.
I don't hear it anymore. I'm gonna go on this side and see if I can hear it. Oh my gosh, I'm getting blind. Looked like crap, but something was making noises, so we came outside with our dogs. And I'm on Zoom. See my big old face. Let's see what else if we can hear it. Oh, I hear it again over here. I'm nervous. I hope whatever it is, it don't jump the fence.
It will.
A la verga. Oh, there it goes. fence, guys. They jumped 25 feet. I hope you guys could hear that. I think I just seen some eyeballs. It sounds like it's coming from this area right there.
Okay, baby, I gotta get inside that cabinet.
Okay, I'm coming in. Alright, guys. I'm out of here. We're getting scared. We don't know what the heck it is, but we're going back in the house because we don't want to get eaten by whatever the hell's out here. Who knows, but it sounds pretty scary. So, talk to you later. Bye. Okay, my wife thinks it is a link because we looked online real quick and on some YouTube videos, but check it out. Let me know if you think that's what you hear out there is a lynx cat. They're beautiful, but I think they're dangerous, but check it out. Here it is. Turn it up there. Yeah, I think that's what it is. So, but you let me know. If I hear it again, I'll run back out there and film some more. So, talk to you later. Bye.